Hi, my friends. If you want to know how I made this green amaranth vegetable sauce, then you keep watching. Like, seriously, I had fun making this sauce and I want to share with you guys. Now, come, let's go. So I got a lot of green amaranth vegetables, and as usual, you wash your vegetables nicely. So I washed them until I was satisfied the water was clear, and I made sure there were no deads. So I brought them to my chopping board, and some I hand chopped, like this one you're seeing here. I hand chopped. Then at a second thought, I said, you know what? Maybe I should use my food processor. So here I am comparing the one with food processor and the one I chopped with my hands. So I got my favorite condiments, onions, ginger, garlic, pepper, bell pepper, just whatever is your choice. So I added my oil in my saucepan, allowed it to heat up a little bit, and I put some seasoning cubes in the oil, my salt, and whatever condiments that you have. Then I added my blended onions, pepper, ginger, garlic, and allowed it to fry. Oh my goodness, the aroma that this brought out my kitchen was smelling yummy. So I allowed it to sizzle until it was a little bit translucent. Then I now added the blended bell pepper and the habanero pepper. So I like eating hot sauce. For that, if you're not a fan of hot sauce, you can reduce the quantity of habanero pepper that you're using, or maybe scotch bonnet. Or if you're not a fan of hot sauce, you can skip that part. Okay, I love hot sauce, so I did use. So I allowed it to fry, then I added my crayfish. Like, what is a sauce without crayfish? I love crayfish. Then I added my turmeric. I added other things. Just here, use whatever you are comfortable with that is in your kitchen. So I allowed it to fry. My favorite part was the aroma that this kept exuding. Like, I was enjoying it, I was salivating. So I had previously steamed some chicken, so I added some chicken with the broth inside the sauce just to do some justice to it, and allowed it to simmer a little bit. And then it was time for me to add my amaranth greens. So I put a lot of amaranth greens because you know what? This green vegetable is packed with lots of iron, vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin B. Like, it is a super rich green vegetable. So I added more, and this, because you have added your green vegetable, don't allow it to overcook. Amaranth vegetable, you can eat it raw, but I cooked it for just 1 minute. I tested for salt, and that was fine. Here is my finished product. I paired it with some boiled rice, boiled beans. This can serve as a side for anything that you want. Maybe your boiled quinoa, your boiled potato, boiled whatever. And I added also some slices of cucumber. Like, it was a very delicious and healthy dinner. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye bye.